Onions are grown everywhere, but only smart farmers make real profit. So here are 5 simple secrets for low-cost, high-yield onion farming. Secret 1. Right variety. Dry areas? Choose Bhima Shakti, Arka Niketan or N53. For long storage, Bhima Super works best. Secret 2. Smart irrigation. Use drip irrigation. Water every 4 to 5 days in cool weather and 2 to 3 days in hot weather. Avoid overwatering. It causes disease. Secret 3. Strong soil. Loose, well-drained soil, pH 6 to 7. Add vermicompost or cow dung. Always use raised beds. Secret 4. Natural pest control. Spray neem oil every 10 days. Plant marigold around the field. Inspect crops weekly. Secret 5. Harvest and storage. Harvest at 50 to 70% leaf fall. Sun dry for 7 to 10 days. Store in mesh sacks. Follow these 5 steps and you'll see better yield and better income. Like, share and subscribe to Discover Agriculture. Let's grow smarter together.